Alright guys, so we're here. We have a Frigidaire, and the complaint is it's icing up. Okay. You look along the door, same thing. Okay. Now this will continue. It's gonna go all the way back there. Right now, the air is being pulled in from here. This is going to be the opening area. Okay, that's where air is being sucked in from. That would also affect the refrigerator temperature, because now your air passages, you have an airway from up there where the air is pulled up and is forced down. So if you're not getting proper air circulation, then the refrigerator section will not be cold enough. You can see it's turned all the way up. So I'll keep you posted on what we find. All right guys, so like I was saying, air is being sucked in. Now, you may not think it's a big deal, but if you look right there, okay, right there, that's my other phone with the light on inside the refrigerator. You can clearly see the light is coming out. Okay, there's the light. There's the phone. The light switch is going to be going off when the door is closed. Okay. And as you can see, we do have light. Not supposed to be. Go around. Alright guys, so what we're doing is we're sealing the slight gap we had here. That is now sealed. And we did all the corners